Jopuonj mag sikunde secondary madundo JSS e kaunti ma MIGORI orwako ng'eto mar doho ewi ndiko jopuonjno e yo mongirore. Kano otelnegi kod jagoro mar riwruog sikunde secondary Kuppet bade ma MIGORI Orwaja Solo, giyango ni osara michulogi dwe ka dwe tin mokalo kendo ok rom tich dwachgi mapile ka pile. Gimiyo sirikal mamalo kokalo kuom duol mar TSC thuolo maromo juma achiel mar timo dwachgi, ma ka ok kamano to ok gibi dok e tich nyaka sirikal chop ng'eto mar doho ewi ndiko jopuonjgo tich e yo mongirore.
We are in support of the Labor Relations Court that declared internship in the teaching service illegal. We are saying that we are not interns. That is not the term for us. Yes. An intern is that person who is working under someone before they are licensed to work. An intern is a person, a student that is still learning and who has not been licensed to work. Yes. We are not students. We are teachers who are graduated and who are registered by the Teacher Service Commission and licensed to practice. So we cannot be interns by any definition. We agree totally with the ruling of the Industrial Court.
We must have an employer that recognizes and obeys law. Section 5, Part 3 of Kenyan Employment Act clearly states that an employer must never discriminate employees or even prospective employees on the basis of the terms of employment. As we speak, teachers on the junior secondary school that have been employed as interns, Teacher Service Commission is disguising them as interns. They are qualified teachers, fully trained and registered by the same Teacher Service Commission.